Hello everyone, welcome back. Good evening everyone. So I can see myself. So hello everyone, please say something in the chat. Hello Chiranjeev. I'm fine, I'm fine. Yes, other person, please say something. Hello. Okay, now let's start today's session. So in the previous session, in the study session, and hello. In the previous session, we completed the else if structure, for loop structure, right? So today I'm going to cover the function thing. Okay, and please stay with us for this 1 hour. You will get a lot of new things if you know function very well. Then again, I'm saying it, stay with me for 1 hour. You will learn a lot of new things. Okay, so hello everyone. Hello Mari, Rocky, Pranab, Mahesh, Joker Gaming, Nancy. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Let's start today's session. Okay, so I'm using the Jupyter notebook. So you can see the Jupyter notebook. So I'm going to use it. You can use any browser, any editor of your choice, but I'm using this Jupyter notebook because of its interactive screen. Okay, so we get the output and input at the same time. Okay, so camera this side. Okay, getting sense. So first question is, so today's agenda is to complete the function things. Okay, function. If we get more time, so I will elaborate the data structure of Python. Okay, so my aim to complete this function thing in 40 minutes, and 20 minutes I will tell you about the list tuple dictionary. Okay, so do you know what is the meaning of function? What is the meaning of function? Yes, anybody? Function, yes, function. So we have seen some built-in functions, right? Built-in functions like range, int, id. These are the built-in function. Okay, how to create user-defined function? User-defined. Okay, so these are the built-in function. Let's create the user-defined function. First, consider if you want to create your function. So first statement is the def. Def is a keyword. Then function name. You can give any name, meaningful name. Then curly, then this parenthesis, start and print something inside it, like hello world. Then I can see I'm not getting anything here. I have defined the function, but I'm not getting anything here. So this is the defining. You can say defining a function. You can say definition. What function is going to do. So that's a definition of function. Okay. That's why you can see def keyword definition. So this is definition. Okay. So it will work when we call it function. So this is the calling a function. Okay. So if I run it, you can see I'm getting the hello world. By calling a function, this is a definition of function. So I hope you're getting the sense. Yes, everybody is getting the sense or not? Please tell me. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So now next topic is function with return statement. Function with uh, parameters या फिर argument. Or either argument, you can say parameters or argument. Okay. So I'm going to make it heading. Function parameter. Okay. Parameter. What is the meaning of parameter? Consider if I define here a b. So why do we use function? So my question was, why do we use function? I'm telling you function. What is the purpose of creating function? देखिए, function first is to organize the big code. Nancy saying the set of code to perform certain task इसको यहाँ है, ठीक है. To organize the code, to organize the big code, okay, and to repeat an action, to call again and again, to call again and again. Okay, so you can see repeat task, you can say call again and again with different parameters or different arguments. Okay, and in the industries, when we create function in the industry, means in the real project, when we create function, try to create generalized function. Generalize, अब spelling देखते हैं. Generalized function means create function like this, so that other person can use your function easily. Make some generalized function so that other person can use it, or you can use it easily. Okay, so consider this function a and b, two parameters, and I'm creating a new variable inside it, int c, and call it and give some parameters. So I'm giving some parameters. So these are the parameters. Yeah, this a, b, and are the parameters. And here, when I transfer 10 and 20, these are the argument. Okay. Okay. So I'm getting 30. So let me write a statement. Answer is 30. Okay. So Priyanka is saying that function and method are same. No, dear, function and method are not same. It looks like a same, but difference between function and methods. Function and methods. Function. So methods are like function, but they are associated with class. Associated with class and can be called by object. Okay, and functions are generalized. Let me give you one example. If you are thinking function and method same, let me give you an example. So one person has a doubt here. Okay, so let me give one example of, consider this in this Python. Okay, I'm giving example why function and methods both are different. Okay, so consider if I have a string hello. Okay, if I apply length and passing this string as an argument inside it, so I'm getting the result length of a string. So this is the function. So length is a function. But if I use stir upper, then this upper is returning the uppercase version of str1. So this upper is, method, because this upper is associated with the object str1, and this is a function because I'm passing this str1 inside it. Okay, so functions are general, like they can, length can be applied on the consider list. So length of a list, so length can be applied on list. Done. But if you apply list one dot upper, because upper is only for the str1, means this is a string object, but this is not the applicable, because this upper is a method of string class. That's why it can be applicable only on the object of string. Okay, I hope getting the sense, everyone. Okay, So now let's see 1020, 1020 here, done. So function is argument. Now consider I want to use this result for further calculation. I want to use it. I want to use this C for further calculation. So what to do? So in this case, I need this C outside the function. So in that case, I am returning it. I should return it. Okay. So I'm returning it. 30. Okay, so returning it. What is the meaning of returning it? So you can see this is 30 is not printing. Actually, this out 7 is returning a. We need to use print statement over here. Then we will get the accurate result. I can see I'm getting 30 outside it. Okay, so consider if we want to use it again for further calculation like 80 plus function to 9 and 5, and then store the result in the k and then print k. K is k. K is 94. So in this way, what is the purpose of return? Return. Okay, so I can use. So this is what. If you don't know what is the meaning of return, so this is okay. What is the result of this one? What is the result of this one? Whatever it is returning. So that is the result. Return means, so what is the purpose of return? Can anybody tell me in the chat box what is the significance of return? What is the purpose of return statement? Yes. Let's make this session more interactive. Yes, tell me. Yes, anyone? What is the purpose of return statement? Find the answer, right? Find the answer. And result is return is the end point of any function. Return is an end point. End point, why I'm saying end point? If I say print hello world, now tell me what would be the what will I get this statement? Will I get this print hello statement? Yes, tell me. Yes, anyone? So if you run it, there's no error. There's no error. You can see there's no error. And I'm not getting this statement anywhere. But if you print this statement over here, I can see I'm getting hello world two times. Why? Because first I'm calling here by here. That's why I'm getting hello world. And then this C as a return statement. From here, hello world, print statement, and this one. But because this print statement is just before the return statement. So return is an end point. So whatever you write outside after the return statement, you will not get that thing. Result return means end point. If you want to end some function somewhere, so you can use return. Okay, so I hope everybody is getting the sense of return statement. Okay. So in the previous statement, this one, there is a no return statement. In this one, there is no return statement. In the previous one. So consider if I print it, if I try to print it, there is a one print statement over here. Okay, I was getting answer is 30, but still I'm printing here. So what will I get? Can anybody tell me? What will I get? Yes, anybody? Yes, anyone can tell me what will I get? Priyanka is saying when we use. Yes, anyone? कोई तो बताओ. Yes. Answer is 30. Yes, we will get answer is 30, but one more thing, we will get none. So it means that if function, if we do not specify anything here as return statement, if you do not specify return statement, then you will get the none. Means I'm printing here. So what is the return of this one? ठीक है, ये तो हमने प्रिंट करवाया, but what is the return thing of this one? So that's a none. Okay, please remember this one. Sometime people ask this question in the interview. Okay. Okay, so this one is completed. Now function with default arguments. ठीक है, function with default arguments. Okay, so let's write def function a and b. Not a and b, I am writing name and age. Print name function 1. So what is the name here? So let's take name a, or let's take some name Rahul. I'm just taking Rahul, not Rahul Chand. Okay, so one is Sheikh. So let's take the age, imaginary age, 18. One is Sheikh. SHAIKH. Okay, यहाँ पे एज नहीं है, ठीक है. Now in this case, when we use this one, so Rahul and 18 passes to this name and age. So I'm getting Rahul and 18. In the case of Sheikh, one thing is missing. So it's saying that कि भाई positional argument age is missing. So this is a positional argument, age is missing. You can see age is not there. Age is not there. So that's why when we call it with name Sheikh, so age is not there. Okay. So that's why we are getting this error. So in this case, we can do one thing. We can use by default age. So age equal to 20. So this 20, age equal to 20 is fixed at the time of function definition. This is a good interview question. So at the time of function definition. So consider Rahul is giving name as well as age. So that's why I take name and age. Okay, let's run it. In the case of Sheikh, age is not there. So that's why it will take default age. And let's take one more. If I use fun1, let's take one more. 20 का नहीं हूँ, so by default is 20. Okay, so let's take one more person. चलो मैं एक काम करता हूँ, ABC ले लेता हूँ. Let me take one more. And age is 23. Okay, so you can see here I'm getting the 23 age. So if somebody is not providing the age, then it will take 20 as a default. So it's taking 20 as a default. Yes, anyone, any doubt? Yes, no doubt. Now consider one more. Consider sometime people write the marks here. Marks. अब होगा क्या? Let's check. Consider Rahul got the 90 marks. Okay. Shake. Okay, I'm first making it comment. Let's run it. So here I'm getting the error. Please see this error. Why I'm getting this error? Rahul is fixed with name, 18 age, 19 marks. But why error? It's saying that non-default argument follows the default argument. Ki bhai simple, very simple. It's very simple. This is a default argument. It should be this side, and all the positional argument should be this side. Means default argument should be at the left hand side. Means yeah, right hand side. All the default arguments. Okay, so if you are going to make it marks, so marks should be here. Now let's me write the marks over here. So marks in the between, marks and T here, and marks age and oh, done. So you can see I'm getting everything is perfect. Okay, Rahul age 90. Consider consider if you want to, I want to make the marks as a default argument. अब शेख साहब आ गए, ठीक है. Now consider for शेख marks marks is not given, as well as age is not given. So I'm making marks as a default argument. So marks, let's take 50 as a default argument. Done. So now here for the sheikh, I'm getting marks and age both are default argument. Okay. So 50 and 20. Getting sense? Okay. Next, consider one more person. Fun. I know name of fun is A, that's okay. And this is the 23 is age for us. I know age of A, but don't know the marks. So let's see what happened. Now you can see what is the mistake. I know very well, we know very well this 23 for the, this 23 intended for the age. We know very well, but what happened? This 23 passes to marks and by default age is here. So that's a small mistake, but can create big mistake. Okay, 20, we know 23 is for age, but program is taking 23 at the place of marks. So what to do at this situation? We can explicitly say by it is the age. Now it's done. Okay, so I hope you get in the sense of function with default argument. Okay, next function with variable length इसको बनाओ heading. Okay, done. Function with default argument. Okay, sorry, variable length argument. So def function a and b, print a and b. Function 10 over here and then 20 10 function. Now let's run it. Let me print in the one line. Okay, now you can see clearly for this one, I am getting the output. 10 passes to A and 20 passes to B. Okay. So here I am getting the 10 and 20. But for this 10 passes to A, but what is so missing value? So here we are getting the error missing value. So ठीक है ना, चलो let's say missing value है, let's make it default argument. Now we are getting the result. 10 passes to this one, 20 passes to this one, for 10 passes to A. Missing value, we have default value. But what about this one? 10, 20, 40, 50, 60. There are multiple things, multiple values. So you can see function can take 1 to 2 positional argument, ek bhi, do bhi, 1 to 2. But you are giving 5. But you're giving 5. How to handle this one? So in this situation, we can do one thing. So if you want to handle multiple arguments, so we can do one thing. We can make it star B. Star B means asterisk B. It means that first argument as it is passes to A, this passes to A, this passes to A. Rest are in the tuple. Tuple. This is tuple, empty tuple, and these all argument are in the tuple. So this is the tuple. Okay, tuple. Sometimes people say tuple, tuple. Okay. So yes, anybody, any doubt here, please tell me. No doubt. Now let's take next example. Function with keyworded arguments. So what is the meaning of keyworded arguments? Keyworded argument means when we give print k, when we give argument like this, name equal to Intel. Just example, okay. Our processor Core i7. Okay, name, processor, RAM. I'm giving the values like this. Key value pair. So when this things transfer to this one, I'm getting a dictionary. So this K is a dictionary. Yes, getting sense or not? Please tell me. Yes, yes, yes. Any doubt, anyone? Okay, so I hope getting a sense. So whenever we write a function for one project or some open source project, so mostly we write like this. These are the necessary argument, and these are the like args, and this is double one quarks, keyworded arguments. Okay. So we generally use A and B. We do not use args and quarks because this is for future use, and this is the hierarchy. Okay, first A, B. If you have C and if you consider if you want to make it as a default argument, you can make it, up to you. So this is a hierarchy. First, positional argument. So first is positional argument. Second one is a default argument. This one is a variable length argument, and this one is a keyworded argument. Keyworded argument. Okay. Positional, default, variable length, and keyworded argument. Okay. So why we use this structure? Because if I need two variable, okay, so A and B is default, and consider in the future if somebody want to give more arguments, so he can give here, he can give here. So this is for future use. So let me write some uses here. Fun one, like 10 and 20, done. Fun one, 10, 20, and like if I give like this, by mistake दे दिया, ठीक है ना, by mistake और syntax error, why, where? Fun one, अच्छा definitely लगाया, okay, getting sense. Okay, so now I can see I am getting value of these two because I am printing it. This extra thing, if you transfer it, our function is enough capable to handle it. So I hope everybody is getting the sense. Yes, getting sense or not? Okay, now I'm going to tell you one more thing. So I hope you understood the function thing. One more thing, that is the function, calling a function, means okay, passing the argument by reference or by value. So this is a very famous concept, passing the uh, argument by reference or value. So please tell me, in the C language, when we pass arguments, okay, एक example लेते हैं simple. So let's take a simple example. Ref function a, print a x equal to 10, function 1 x. Okay. So I'm getting 10 over here. So what is the meaning of this passing a function by using the value or reference? So value means, and what is the meaning of reference? Passing value, passing reference. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of passing with value, passing with reference? Yes, anyone? Huh. Pointer, you can say pointer type of thing. So when we say value, means we are making, means what is the meaning of value? Means if I say x is 10, I am sending the copy of x. That's a value. Okay, this is applicable in Java and C. You can use value. Reference means I'm not passing the value, I'm passing the address. So x is an address which is transferring to A. So that is passing by reference. So in the C language you can use it, and Python by default. So Python only use pass by reference. So there is nothing like passing by value in the Python. So Python always follows pass by reference. Okay. So it means that whatever the address of x, that is address of A. So let me create one diagram so that you can understand it. X, what is x here? X created by 10, which is in the global scope. Please understand, this is the important thing. What is the meaning of global scope? What is the meaning of local scope? So you need to understand, हाँ ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो, call by value, call by reference, right? Call by value, call by reference. So we are, so in Python we only thing is call by reference. Okay, local. So what is the meaning of local scope? So area inside the function, this area. So this is the area inside the function. You can see, I think yellow reason is not visible here, orange. This So this area and this area is a local scope. So whatever define inside the local scope, this is also defining. ये भी defining है, this is also defining. यहाँ पे a आ गया इसमें define. Okay, so this is a memory diagram. So x is in the global scope pointing to a value 10. So now x is transferring its address. Let's understand address is 1 to 4. So x is transferring the address to a. So a is pointing to same memory location. Getting sense or not? Tell me. Yes. Tell me, getting sense or not? So a is in the local scope. So ये जो x है, this x is in the global. X in the local. Sorry, a is in the local, x in the global. Yes, tell me, getting sense or not? चलिए, so I hope getting the sense. ठीक है. So if you want to know, you can check the address. Let's check the address of a, and here I'm writing one string. So address of x and address of a both are same. So it means same address. So let me write over here. So address is 928. Okay, both are at the same address. So if you increase the value, no, don't worry. Both are same. Okay, because it is passing the address. Okay, internally it is passing the address. How? X transferred is address x transferring to a. So x transferring its address to a. So now x and y, x and a both are pointing to same memory location. So I hope you're getting the sense. Okay. चलिए, any doubt anyone? Please tell me. Clear? चलिए. So one more example. Let's understand. K equal to, let me take my standard variable k equal to 10. Def function. I'm not defining anything inside it. एक काम करते हैं. Let me हाँ, एक काम करते हैं. Let me write over here. Okay, and also here k equal to k plus 20. Print k. Function 1 ने k पास किया and print value of k outside. Okay, now tell me answer. बच्चे कह रहे हैं क्लियर हो गया. Let's test your knowledge. Okay, so what would be the value of k here and what would be here? So here I can say answer A or answer B. Let me know what is the answer A, what is answer B. Please tell me. So Ibrahim is saying 30. भाई 30 कहाँ पे? A or B? Means inside or outside? Yes. A30. So you can say A30. ठीक है, ये तो ठीक है, ये तो दिख रहा है. यहाँ पे बताइए. Tell me. B. Ibrahim saying B30. Yes, anybody? Anyone with same or different opinion? Yes. Tell me. Please participate in this one. So outside 10. Try to understand it. क्योंकि कॉल बाय रेफरेंस है इसलिए वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएगी. ओ माय गॉड. हाफ आंसर इज ओके, हाफ आंसर इज नॉट ओके. हाउ? देखिए यस्टरडे का सेशन आपने अटेंड नहीं किया. यू हैवंट अटेंडेड द यस्टरडे सेशन. तो कहीं मत जाइएगा. लेट्स सी. देखिए व्हाट्स द वैल्यू ऑफ के. 10. ठीक है. सो दिस के इज डिफाइंड एज द ग्लोबल स्कोप. ग्लोबल. Okay, and what is the local scope? So this area is in the local scope. ठीक है. So this k is transferred to the this one. So now this is a kg and this is a k local. So दो k हैं. One is the global, one is a local. So both are pointing to same memory location 10 10 at this step. At this step. Now reassigning the local वाला. Reassigning means इट वॉज साइन. अब देखिए ध्यान से देखना इसको जरा ध्यान से. ओके, पे अटेंशन. दिस इज व्हाट दिस इज आल्सो डिफाइनिंग. ये भी डिफाइनिंग है, यहां भी डिफाइनिंग है. दिस आल्सो डिफाइनिंग व्हेन जी ट्रांसफर इट्स वैल्यू. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस ट्रांसफर? लेट मी क्लैरिफाई. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लेवल 1? इट मीन्स दैट के ग्लोबल वाले ने के लोकल को ट्रांसफर किया. इब्राहिम से मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया था वेरिएबल नेम में. ओके, ठीक है. So kg, so this one at step 1, kg transfer its address to L. So now both are pointing at this step 1, both are pointing to 10. So step 1 पे. This is step 2. Just one second. Step 2. This is step 2. K local, K local, K plus 10, previous value plus 20. So ये बन गया 30. So now this one is breaking their linking. So red color use कर लेते हैं. Breaking their linking and pointing to 30. So I hope getting the sense from the pictorial diagram. Yes. Anybody? Any doubt? ठीक है. I hope everybody is getting the sense from this diagram. Diagram easy. I hope you are getting the sense from this pictorial diagram. Yes. Great graphic description. Thank you very much. Thank you. Why we are doing this one? This is for you. That's why we purchase so many things for okay. So that we can create diagram and purchase this software. Okay. Because I know you can understand with the diagram. Okay. And this software is also purchase software. Okay, not from any कोई कोई कोड नहीं लगाया, परचेज किया है. ठीक है. इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके नेक्स्ट. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम टेलिंग यू वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग थिंग. इसको ध्यान से देखना. ठीक है. गेट द सेंस ऑफ द. अब मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, सेम आई एम कॉपिंग सेम कोड, बट वन थिंग आई एम गोइंग टू रिमूव, दैट इज द कंसीडर. आई एम चेंजिंग समथिंग. आई एम रिमूविंग दिस के. आई एम जस्ट प्रिंटिंग दिस के. I am not passing anything. Simple syntax. Tell me the value of k. Value of this one a and okay. It's not very mystery thing. So let me run it so that we can get the answer quickly. So very easy. होता क्या है? Now try to understand. So this is the कलर ठीक नहीं है. येलो ले लेते हैं. So I'm taking the light green. Okay, so this is the local scope. ये है local. Okay, 10 is a global variable. In the local scope, I am printing k को print किया, I am printing k. It's thinking that okay, k, do we have any k in the local scope? इसने सर्च किया, now it's searching, oh no k in the local में नहीं है, in the local no k नहीं है. Okay, let's check the global वाला k. कोई global में है? Anything is in the global? Yes, so global is the global here. Yes, global is here. So print the global wala. So first is check, do we have k in local? No. No. Check the global wala k because that is defined outside the global. Okay. Getting sense? Now if I define, if अगर मैं define कर देता हूँ like 90, then it is taking, okay, do we have any k inside the local scope? Yes, we have 90. So that's why inside 90. ठीक है, चलिए अब मैं एक नई चीज करता हूँ. C equal to k plus 90. So now tell me what is the value of C? C की वैल्यू बताइए कितनी है? Tell me value of C. Easy है, बिल्कुल easy. Just tell me. 100, right? It's 100. 100, right? Perfect, fine. Now I'm going to ask one serious question. If I create here C, बताइए C की वैल्यू कितनी है? Sorry, K की वैल्यू कितनी है? Inside and outside. See, before giving the answer, see इसको भी देख लेना एक बार. See this one. तो चलिए एक काम करते हैं 20 कर देते हैं यहाँ पे. See this one and this one. फर्क क्या है? What's the difference between both? Here I'm not passing. Okay. So please give me the answer after thinking. Okay. Yes. Yes, tell me. Compare both and then tell me your reason. One person said the right answer, that's an error. Okay, error bhi kaun sa? Let's check. Error is saying that local variable k referenced before the assignment. We need to understand this thing. देखिए प्रीवियस वाले में, इन द प्रीवियस वाले में आई टोल्ड यू दैट रीजन क्या, एक बार देख लीजिए दोबारा से. लोकल वेरिएबल के रेफरेंस्ड बिफोर द असाइनमेंट, सो दिस इज द एरर. इट मींस दैट ये पता क्या कह रहा है, दिस वन इज सेइंग कि लोकल वेरिएबल के, बिकॉज देखिए इफ इन द फंक्शन इफ यू राइट लाइक दिस, अगर इतना इफ यू राइट लाइक दिस, इतना भी लिख दिया, मींस इफ यू राइट लाइक दिस, इट मींस दैट कि भाई के असाइंड आगे नहीं पता क्या, के असाइंड मींस k is assigned, it means that k is a local. भाई k तो local है, k is assigned, but what about this k भाई, what about this k, ये कहां से आया, ये तो है ही नहीं. That's why error. Okay, if you take the previous example k, it means that k is a local, but what about this k भाई, ये तो यहां से आया, this one is coming from here, this is also define, inside defining, so ये भी define है, this is also defining. Okay, so define पहले हो चुका है this one, so here you are changing the value of that variable, but in the last example here it means that you are defining as a local, but what about this k, मतलब you are using k before the assignment, that's why local variable k reference before the assignment. Okay, समझ रहे, समझिए. Now you are saying thinking कि भाई we are changing this k, I want to change this k, मैं local नहीं बनाना चाहता, I don't want to make it local, I want to change this global वाला. देखिए दो तरह की मेमोरी स्ट्रक्चर आते हैं, so please try to understand. ये 10 है, दिस वन इज के जी एंड के एल, ठीक है, बोथ आर पॉइंटिंग सेम. नाउ यू आर चेंजिंग समथिंग. अब यहाँ प्रॉब्लम है बिकॉज यू आर डिफाइनिंग के मीन्स यू आर मेकिंग लोकल. एंड व्हाट अबाउट दिस के, ये कहाँ से आया फिर अगर ये लोकल है तो फर्स्ट टाइम डिफाइन हो रहा है, तो दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम हियर. सो हियर वी नीड टू सेट भाई भाई this k is this one. We need to tell it. We need to tell. In order to tell, we need to use global keyword. भाई अब global को लेके चलो. ओके, ग्लोबल को लेके चलो. इट्स अ ग्लोबल. अब ये लोकल नहीं है आपका, इट्स अ ग्लोबल. ठीक है. वंस यू चेंज inside it, it will also reflect to outside the function. So please see this one. Okay, so now both the k outside and inside both are this one and this one, both are 30 30. So I hope everybody is getting these sense. Yes. Yes. So my chapter is over about the function. Please tell me if you got the really significant thing. Please tell me yes in the chat box. Yes, Sheikh, please ask the question. Yes, please ask the question. So after that, I will tell you about the data structure of Python, and I will tell you about the what we are going to make tomorrow as a project. So I will create tomorrow a very beautiful project. Okay, that is not a game kind of thing, that's not an exercise, that's a real software, small software for you that you can use. ठीक है. तो देखिए अब मैं आपको कुछ बताने वाला हूँ. कल मैं क्या कराने वाला हूँ, लेट मी, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू कल क्या कराना है. अब बैकअप सॉफ्टवेयर, जो कल जो प्रोजेक्ट होगा एक बैकअप प्रोजेक्ट होगा, बैकअप टेकिंग. डू यू नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बैकअप? ये पेन ड्राइव है मेरे पास, ये था पेन ड्राइव, डोंट नो. ठीक है, पेन ड्राइव. इफ यू वांट टू टेक अ बैकअप ऑन द पेन ड्राइव, आप क्या कहोगे? लेट्स टेक कॉपी, लेट्स मेक अ कॉपी. ठीक है, देखिए ध्यान से सोचिए. कंसिडर यू हैव अ फोल्डर, ये फोल्डर है, ठीक है, एंड दिस इज योर पेन ड्राइव. आपने पेन ड्राइव लगाया, उसका ड्राइव बन के आ गया, ड्राइव जी, दिस जी ड्राइव. एंड यू वांट टू टेक अ बैकअप ऑफ दिस फोल्डर टू जी ड्राइव. तो करना क्या, आपको कहोगे लो कॉपी कर दो, इसमें क्या है, वेरी सिंपल, जस्ट मेक अ कॉपी, बैकअप हो गया. इसमें एक बड़ी बात क्या है? नहीं, बड़ी बात है. क्यों? बिकॉज फर्स्ट डे यू कैन मेक अ बैकअप, take a complete copy. So consider folder name is song. So you can copy entire song folder here. ये तो easy है. But next day you created two files inside it. Two files बनाई आपने. चलो नेम सॉन्ग है बट आप फाइल्स तो बना सकते हो. यू कैन क्रिएट न्यू फाइल्स. दो फाइल्स बनाई. सो नेक्स्ट डे आपको यू हाउ कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई दीज आर टू न्यू फाइल्स? चलिए आपको पता भी है. You can take just two backup of these two files and put in this one. Next day you modified three files, means already there three files, but you just modified it. So it is become very difficult to take complete backup because you want to take the backup of those files which are newly created or modified. तो उन्हीं का ही बैकअप लेना ना. तो you need to find out which is the modified file, which is the newly created file. Newly created means which is not present in this folder, because if file A is there, file 2, so this is modified 6 7 modified. So 5 6 7 is also here, same name but modified, and 2 is also there, 1 is not there. So copy only this one and copy this modified file too. So we will create this approach tomorrow, how to create the backup, and we will schedule that program at a time when the program runs. It will take the backup of your folder and put in the pen drive. Hota kya hai, when we create some software, when we create some files, when we create some word document, important thing, so it's advisable to take backup after every day. ठीक है ना, आफ्टर एवरी डे. सो दिस जॉब बिकेम वेरी मंडेन टास्क, यू कैन से. बड़ा मुश्किल लगता है बैकअप लेना, कौन सी मॉडिफाइड पता नहीं, दिमाग में ही नहीं. सो यू कैन क्रिएट अ प्रोग्राम विच कैन टेक विच इज मॉडिफाइड फाइल, विच इज न्यूली क्रिएटेड फाइल, okay, which is not present in the destination drive. So copy those files only. Okay, so I hope you get a sense of tomorrow's project. कैसा लगा फिर tomorrow's project का idea? Yes, tell me. Yes, yes, tell me. Backup project. This is a backup. Okay, so I have created so many software for myself. देखिए अपने लिए भी मैंने बहुत कुछ बनाया. Now I'm telling you. You can see this f date. So this is the utility created by me to search any file inside my computer based upon their date and modification date. मतलब कि आप भूल गए फाइल, यू फॉरगेट दैट, फाइल का नाम भी भूल गए एंड यू रिमेंबर दैट कि यार होली के टाइम पे बनाई थी. यू रिमेंबर दैट एट द फेस्टिवल ऑफ होली आई क्रिएटेड, मतलब 2 दिन आगे 2 दिन पीछे आई क्रिएटेड 2 days ago, 2 days later, होली टाइम, होली 8 मार्च, ठीक है? आई क्रिएटेड दिस फाइल बट आई फॉरगॉट दैट. या फिर लाइक आई डाउनलोडेड सम मूवी दिवाली के टाइम पे बट आई फॉरगेट द नेम. तो यू कैन सर्च इट विद द यूज ऑफ एफडेट विद द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड, एकदम से ला के देगा आपको. मीन्स ऑल द फाइल एट दिस टाइम रेंज, पीडीएफ फाइल, mp3 file, it will give you all the files immediately. Okay, so I hope you get the sense. So the f date finder, there are a lot of things I have created for myself. Okay, yes, any doubt, anyone? इब्राहिम सिंह ने आप मेरे को हमारे कॉलेज में, मैं पहले असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ही था. सो आई वाज यू नो, लेट मी गिव यू माय लिटिल बिट इंट्रोडक्शन. सो आई वाज द प्रीवियस आईबीएम में काम किया, सैपिएंट senior developer. Then I became the assistant professor in reputed university, North Indian University. And after that, means after working in 3 companies, startup, IBM, Sapient as senior developer, and I joined the assistant professor in one reputed university. And now I am also again become a senior developer. Okay, so that's my journey. And I wrote 5 international books in Python. So what's the meaning of quarks? Quarks means keyworded argument. Okay, keyworded arguments, quark. So you can ask the questions, please ask the questions. Okay, I was a certified ethical hacker in 2014. I was a trainer that time as a ethical hacker in 2014, but after 2015 I became the complete trainer of Python. So I'm teaching since, so I have been teaching since 2015 offline, then I became, now I'm teaching online. Okay, yes, any doubt, anyone, please tell me. Okay, let's see one thing. So let me check how many file I have created. So I'm telling you one thing. How many file I have created f date in last 2 days, cd and minus m dot py. Okay. So you can see this file I have created. Okay, in last 2 days, you can see date. And if you want to copy, D open the folder, F open the file, M for move, C for copy. So ये तो हमने कल ही की थी. You can see timestamp. Okay, so if I want to move it and I want to copy it, I can immediately copy. ठीक है, I can immediately copy it, I can immediately move it from the pen drive. तो मतलब कि जस्ट नेम कि कौन सी 1 नंबर ये फाइल है, ऑल फाइल्स 1 2 3 में से कौन सी वाली फाइल्स यू वांट टू कॉपी इट. ओके, सो आई कैन इजीली कॉपी. सर जॉब के लिए कौन सी प्रोग्राम लैंग्वेज इंपॉर्टेंट है? डियर, जिसका भी मार्केट हो, यू कैन चेक द मार्केट. Okay, you can learn it. So right now Python ka market hai, but with some other skills also. You cannot say just learning Python will get the job. So you need to learn other things like full stack development or data science. Okay, so I'm always telling you one thing, that today is a market of 2 things. With Python you can understand. So full stack development program and full stack data science program. So Python you can use in both full stack data science and web development also. Okay, so you can take any one course. बाकी जॉब तो और भी बहुत हैं, but you have to, Python is 50% and other skills are 50%. Okay, just only Python, you will not get the complete job. So you will need to learn MySQL, MongoDB, some full stack development skills, and some, or maybe if you want to go in the field of data science, you need to learn machine learning things. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the today's lecture. You get this, you got the significant knowledge today. And thank you for being with me today. And we will meet tomorrow. Please don't forget to join me tomorrow. So bye bye everyone. Bye bye. We will meet tomorrow. Bye bye.
If you have liked this Essentials program, which is giving you a confidence that you can become a developer, this is just a starting. You can enjoy this learning for at least next 6 months and also become a full stack web developer or a full stack data science person and crack a job end of the day. If you are interested for that program, just go check out LetsUpgrade's full stack program right now from the website. What are the key features of LetsUpgrade's full stack program? 3 key features of LetsUpgrade full stack program. Number 1, you get to learn everything live by an expert coming in from an industry. So this expert is working as a day job, and sham ke time, evening time, this guy is going to teach you in your classes. This cohort is going to be of only 20 students at the max. So lots of focus is there on you to make you an industry ready developer, and you can get jobs in 150 plus partner companies that we have got, that LetsUpgrade has got, NPCI, Red Plus and various other companies. Now talking about the second feature, you get to build 15 plus projects. These 15 projects will help you get the confidence that you can be the top-notch developer at any company. Let it be the bank companies or the manga companies, or let it be any tier 2 or service-based or product-based companies. Third and the last feature, we have an amazing job board where on a day-to-day basis, we get 10 to 20 job descriptions, JDs, job applications being uploaded by companies directly. You can go ahead and check out those all jobs, apply, and we will go and get you prepared for that interview. So this is the 3 things, 3 big USPs of LetsUpgrade's full stack program. Go join right now. You can avail a 20% straight discount. The price of this program is 36,600, but you can get this program for 29,600 right now. Go check it out and let's meet in your batch launch, which is happening this Saturday. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.